The Biaohan Crimping Plier for tubular terminals. Features an alloy steel jaw with high-quality one-piece molding, heat-treated at high temperatures, and phosphate-coated for strong rust resistance. The jaws open and close smoothly, making it more durable and labor-saving. With a ratchet linkage structure and adjustable pressure, it crimps wires tight with minimal effort. The auto-reset function makes operation easier, boosting work efficiency. The dual-color frosted handle feels great in hand and suits long use. Comes in full specs with square or hex options. Pick the right tool. Wire with ease. Biaohan looks forward to your purchase.